Hey guys, so going to be doing an unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro. This was just delivered to me today by Lazada in Thailand. Cost me 13,990 baht. Let's get stuck into it. Let's see what we've got in the box. So this was the gift pack pre-order. So first thing it's got is the Xiaomi Mi TV stick. That should be cool because I want to try and get the Farang TV channels if we can. Just got all that down the bottom. So that's cool. Next thing in the box is one of the Mi Smart Bands. So it's the Mi Smart Band 5. So that's cool. And it's actually got two Mi Smart Band 5. So that's pretty sweet. I'll have to do some more research into what these little jiggers do, but I'm assuming it's just like a pedometer app tracker for walking and things like that. So pretty cool. Got a heart rate monitor as well. It's also got the Xiaomi Mi True Wireless earphones. These are the basic ones. I'm a bit of an audio nerd and I use my phone all the time for work, so I'll probably end up upgrading these to something a little bit better that Xiaomi have or another competitor, but cool to get something straight off the bat that works. We've got the actual phone itself. So as you can see, haven't even opened this. So there's that too. Cool, very heavy. First thing I noticed, incredibly heavy. Okay, now this is the final one. So very nice box here. So we've got a couple pull-out bits there. Really nice surface texture on this as well. Has a gold label. So let's have a look at what we've got in here. So the top one, we have a case. It's got a micro USB in there, which is cool. So I guess that's for headphones and stuff. We have a key ring. And we also have a very thick business card holder. Back in my day when I was doing lots of networking and all that, this would be really sweet. Obviously I still use that maybe for business, but cool to have. And down the bottom, what do we got? Cool. We've got the marital aid beads, which should be really fun. Cool. So that's a USB, maybe a thumb drive with the Type C or a connector port for the phones, but that's pretty cool. Comes on a non-stretchable rope. And then obviously got a soft box for the headphones, I guess. I'm guessing that kind of sits in there like that maybe. It's got like this bit on the end. Other than that, it doesn't really feel, I don't know how that's supposed to sit. Cool. And then a little portable Bluetooth speaker, which I'm sure will sound horrible, but could be cool to have somewhere, maybe in the shower or something like that. Okay, so that's the gift box. Let's get on to the actual phone itself. Okay, so because I am not an unboxer video person, I don't have everything with me like I should have. So I'm supposed to have a nice Stanley knife here, but I don't have one on me. So I'm going to be savage and just get stuck into it. Cool. Oops. That's where it's supposed to go. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got in the box. How does this box open? I believe we unseal it from the bottom. No going back now. Have the plastic case, which has the connector there for the headphones, Type C to headphone. That's cool. Okay, great. So I can still use headphones. Good to know. And the Xiaomi case, kind of ugly because the bottom's silver, top's plastic, but I do like having a case on my phone and it wraps around the edges, which I also like because it means that when my son inevitably throws it, it's not going to get smashed. And that's cool. So that's got the Type-C, the headphone adjuster's there, so I can plug in my headphones, great. I'm sure that'll get lost in the first 5 minutes. Okay, and onto the actual handset itself. Now I've gone for the blue silver reflective cover. One thing you'll notice is that the camera itself does actually protrude out quite a ways from the body, which is interesting. It does feel sort of chunky in your hand. Heavy, that's another thing I'll notice, is this phone is a behemoth. Very, very heavy handset. See if she's going to power on. I've never owned a Xiaomi before. Stainless around the outside is nice. It kind of reminds me of the older Galaxy series phones. The blue hue is really trippy. That's actually really cool. It's got the Gorilla Glass around the outside. I'm not powering on. There we go. So powering on. Orange charger cable. Now apparently these have the big chunky boy charger as well, which is the fast charger. So I'm sure if you want specs, you can get specs from everywhere else online, but this is apparently the super duper fast charger, which should be sweet. So and that's it, guys. That's the new Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro unboxing. Hope you enjoy.